Good morning, children. Okay, so today in English literature, I will continue with chapter 4. Something unexpected happens, part 1. Okay, last week I had started with this chapter. Okay, and then I had explained half of the chapter. I will do a quick recap or a revision of whatever I did in the previous class. Okay, so in this chapter, we are talking about Heidi. She is a girl maybe of your age, okay, and then she has gone to meet her grandfather who lives on the Swiss Alps mountain side, okay. Then she's taken her friend with her, Clara, who lives in the city, okay, and she cannot walk, so she uses a wheelchair to move around, okay. She uses a wheelchair to move around. Then Heidi has another friend, okay, Peter, who lives in the mountains, somewhere near her grandfather's house, okay, and he is a goat herder who will take the goats and all to graze, okay. So he does not study, okay, so he looks after grandfather's goats, he takes them to graze, okay. So Heidi and Peter were friends from before, right? But now Heidi has a new friend, Clara, and since she cannot walk, she uses a wheelchair, okay, to walk. Heidi is always with Clara, so that is making Peter angry. So Peter, since Heidi does not spend time with Peter anymore now, so Peter is cross or angry, okay. So now we also read or we studied in the previous class how Peter was so angry, you know, since grandfather was taking Heidi and Clara up to the mountain side. Okay, the view here is very beautiful. You have a lot of colorful flowers, you know, there is a lot of greenery around. So grandfather is taking Heidi and Clara up to the mountains, okay, mountainside, and Peter is angry with Heidi because of Clara, okay, because Heidi is spending more time with Clara. So since Clara uses a wheelchair, now Peter, I think out of jealousy or, you know, out of anger, he wants to take revenge on Clara. So what does he do? He takes Clara's wheelchair and pushes down the slope. So suppose if your slope is like this, so imagine if you push something from here, what will happen? Okay, so that we are going to study now, okay. We are in page number 52. Peter ran up the mountain, not stopping, till he was hiding behind a large blackberry bush. He did not want grandfather to see him, but he wanted to see what had happened to the chair, and he could not see it from behind the bush. Now if you look at the picture here in page number 52, you can see Peter staring at the wheelchair, Clara's wheelchair, before pushing it down the slope, okay. So after he pushes it down the slope, he cannot be brave and stand and say, I did it and all, right? So what does he do? He goes and he runs and hides behind a blackberry bush, okay. Now if he does not hide, then grandfather will see, Heidi will see, and then they'll get angry, right? So that is why he goes and hides, because he does not want others to see him, because he's done a naughty thing, right? He saw the wheelchair go downhill, and it rolled over and broke into bits. The pieces flew in every direction, and Peter leaped in the air in delight. So when he pushed the wheelchair down, it went rolling down and it broke into pieces. Very obvious, right? So looking at the wheelchair, Peter was very happy. So he leaped in the air in delight, okay. Leaped means jumped high with delight, like he's done something great, okay. So he was sure Heidi's friend would go back home. She would not be able to move about without the chair. So why did he push the chair now? Okay, because he thought that since Clara cannot move without a wheelchair, so now she does not have a wheelchair, right? So what will she do? She'll go back. Okay, so again Heidi will become friends with Peter. Okay. So when Heidi was alone again, she would talk to him as in the old days, and Peter would get his old friend Heidi back. Okay, if Clara went back to the city. Okay. Heidi now came running out of the hut and could not find the wheelchair. Grandfather was surprised by this, because grandfather had taken the chair out from the shed. Okay, so now when Heidi comes out, she cannot find the chair. Okay, so grandfather is also surprised, saying that I had taken the chair out. Now where did the wheelchair suddenly disappear? Okay. Oh, we shall not be able to go today, said Clara sadly, or any other day, because now she does not have a wheelchair, right? So now Clara is saying sadly that, oh, now we will not be able to go today or now any other day, okay, because I don't have a wheelchair now. We will go up the mountain as we had planned, answered grandfather, much to the children's delight. But grandfather says, okay, with or without the chair, we will definitely go to the mountains as we had planned. Okay, so I'll stop here for now. Okay, now if you go to page number 53, under read and answer, under comprehension, number 1, okay, this one, read the sentences and put a tick. A tick is like this, okay, if they are true, and a cross if they are false. Okay, so I'll do the first one for you. A. Peter was unhappy since Clara was not spending time with him. So do you think Peter was happy or he was not unhappy? He was unhappy, right? With whom? Peter was unhappy with Clara or Peter was unhappy with Heidi? Peter was unhappy with Heidi, not Clara. Okay, so it will be false, cross. Alright, so please do B, C, D and E in the book. Number 1 you'll have to do in the book, okay? And then you have reference to context, your question and answers, so that you can try doing it in your rough copy. I will slowly give you the answers, okay? I hope you've understood the chapter, okay? If you have any doubts, please ask me, okay? And I'll give you your meanings also today, alright? Thank you, have a nice day.